Hi everyone, welcome to the lab. I have yet another MIDI controller for repair. This is Studiologic SL-161. Here it is. And I was told that this thing produces some random MIDI messages from the wheels. Let's take a look. So the keyboard is plugged in and powered up, and I connected this USB to MIDI adapter, so we should see LED blinking here. And I also started MIDI dump on my computer, so we should see MIDI messages. Let's try some keys. On, off, no problem. And this keyboard has aftertouch, so if I push on and then push on the key, we can see aftertouch messages as well. No problem. Now let's try this wheel. This one sends B0 messages, and this one sends E0 messages. Oh, there you go. I don't touch anything and it keeps going. Yeah, here it is. So, sometimes this wheel produces some messages when I don't touch anything at all, or if I just slightly tap on the case. Here is the bottom of the unit, and look at the sticker. Fatar, made in Italy. Let's take this thing apart and have a look inside. Here we are inside, just one board, couple of ribbon cables from the keyboard, and this must be from the aftertouch sensor. And we need to look at this module with the wheels. I can see a couple of potentiometers. I guess they need cleaning. Here is this module. And here are these special potentiometers, and they have a gap. So I'm thinking about blowing dust out of them, like so, and applying some super contact cleaner with polyphenol ether. That's a good stuff. Let's see if it helps. Let's go. Probably a bit too much, but not a problem. That should be enough. All right, now let's see what happens. So the wheels are back in place, and now I don't see messages if I don't turn them. There are messages if I do turn them. But nothing happens if I don't touch them. And light taps are fine now. If I hit really hard, I can see it jumping to adjacent values, but I suppose that's okay. So I believe the problem is fixed. So I took the keyboard out of the case just to have a look and blow the dust out, and look what I found. This key is missing a weight, and all the weights look identical to me, so this must be a weighted keyboard, not graded, in which case the weights would be heavier on this side and lighter on that side. So let's see what can I do about this. So I removed this key, which was quite easy. First you need to remove this spring, and then there is a plastic hook here, So you just need to carefully unclip it. So let's remove another key here to compare. Remove the spring and unclip it carefully there. Let's see, there you go. Let's see, this key is 35.5 grams, and this one with a missing weight 14.7. So I found a couple of pieces of metal like this, a leftover from some project. I keep a bin of such pieces just in case, and I cut these two pieces of the right width. Here we are, and it is just a bit over, so I think I should trim one of them and glue them in. I trimmed one of the pieces, and look at this. Perfect. Here is the result, and even painted white just because I can. The keyboard is back together, and we can see the fixed key right here. That's why I painted it white. Should be fine. Thanks for watching. Bye.